Hey Vector, do you think that snake would rather eat after or before the sun? I don't know. Wow, a cat? Some random cat just showed up. What does a cat mean? See a cat? Guess we can watch it. You know what? You're right. Like that rabbit. See a cat. Huh. What's up? What is it? What's up? Oops. Oop. I know that thing was getting too high. So like a little bit above, like over here is kind of where it kind of all subsided. All right, boom. I know you saw that. I know. We'll go back and look. I know. Is that the serpent? Do you see the bottom, like to the right? Bottom right? I think that's Atlas. What's up? Check it out. Sometimes its tongue comes out. Well, it's really hard to see, but there's a very dark red in between. Now, is that some of particles of the Venus cosmic kiss with Jupiter, maybe? Hold on, we'll be right back. Let's look at these. Fire breathing, maybe? You like it right there? It does look like a Venus flytrap. Wow. Huh. Very cool, Beck. Tell me when. Alright, so whenever I was saying generic, I didn't mean be all this generic. What do you got? It's already been 9 minutes. That means you guys gotta do your thing. And girls. I know. Let's see what you got. I know, like I was saying, like the planetary parade, it's all generic. You can do better than that. Gemini is creativity. I guess a parade. Parade. Planetary parade. I know. What if, right? Uh-oh. I know that. Wait a minute. Wait for us. Do you see the separation of color? So whatever it's doing, it's almost like refining the sun particles into something that is a lighter, even, I don't know what you would call that. It's like not, it's almost like not jello, but you see what I'm saying? Kind of like maybe it's being very malleable. Oh, the party's over here. I don't know, it keeps making me feel to go right over here. Oh, you too. I know, right? No, I just have a feeling that it's like I know. Yeah. It's just playing with us. I bet that it could instantly just like, and then like the sky would be completely like, I'm just saying that thing has so much mass in it that if it dissolved a little bit, like those clouds would like cover the sky. Like, kinda like this over. Kinda. Oh, wow, do you see the pink? You know how we saw the cosmic kiss? Well, they may not have a name for this. Even those minor little, I know. Doesn't it look like it's some kind of like, I guess, spiders, right? Web? How they're like strands. Wow. Hey bird, what's up? I know, I love the sun rays or the lack of. So, those little particles are just, I guess, like basking in sun particles, and it's like dissolving, creating something for this black hole to create some kind of emissions that are in a perfect alignment to be illuminated. But look who came to say hi. It's probably a satellite, I'm sure. But let me see. No, I'm confident now that it's all non-disclosure. What's up? I know, it's like, what would Domingo Live say if I was to say that these stars actually come here, right? They don't just like, you don't see them. They come here and they go to their spots. They roll up into a sphere. I know, me too. Well, if you can prove yourself, that might be a bluff. Okay, we'll be back. It may be too early, I don't know. Or it's like, nah, I can't move. I wonder what force is keeping them separated, right? because it looks like it is organized, not chaotically. Like there is something. So we have a mechanical, the mechanics. What is its purpose? Okay, what if those sun rays were entanglements to stars? Let's see if we can find any kind of correlation. The thing is, where is the other star? I know, where did the first one go? Do you see that one ray going real far away? I'm gonna reference this for my drawing. I know, I don't want to say that. I could potentially see how one of these lack of lights are a shadow. What would you do to change your color or make it sparkle around you? I don't know. I guess my phone doesn't want to focus. You never know. See what this distortion does? Chill out. Really? I don't know. I don't know if I would say that, but sometimes just. I know. So yeah, I think this is Cancer, the crab. I really think Gemini didn't show up tonight. Wow, Gemini. I'm not kidding. Very interesting. Oh wow. Do you see the rays? Now I know, I see. Wow, it's turning the sky. It, like, okay, so now I see. Okay, so today we were having an X-class flare, which pretty much, I'm assuming, X radiation, right? And it is lighter. I used to say, that looks like a haze, but no, those are X-rays. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon, Gemini. Dang. So I guess it is doing the perfect alignment for me to see this illuminated X-ray emissions. Now, this isn't the first time we've seen these emissions. It made a holographic animation in it. Like, I was like, okay, you win. It showed my dog, my baby, like in this haze, and it was like how I was saying, like over here, it's refining it into something not as heavy, I would say. I don't know, but maybe. But I'm saying it's emitting so much that it's creating an atmosphere or a medium to create. Let's see if those things may show us. You see the lines kind of go up. I know it looks boring, but I don't know if anybody's ever been able to say, yeah, this is our X-Class flare. Like, so like a spray can of our hairspray that's like, psh. So that's whenever we see those sun, it looked like really cool colors today. I'm assuming that these are the flares. Like during the day we see that happen, but I didn't see necessarily anything that would make me say, okay, that's why. But this is possibly going to be the determining factor. So when I don't have the internet to say, what is going on today? I'd be like, last night, I guess, there's a lot of X-ray emission. That may be for today. Or maybe what they said today in the news is not but for tomorrow. I know it's almost time to go. And still, that snake got away without. No, it's in the running. We didn't get to feed it. Darn it. Maybe it's like fasting or something, right? Alright, I guess we gotta go. But no, I believe that this is like an egg yolk, like you could say sac of possibly X-ray emissions. It's like the show is just about to begin. I can see how like the air or the atmosphere is getting thicker